Hey guys, welcome back. It's Travis. I just wanted to talk to you real quick today about some of the advantages of showing versus telling, right? Now, Christmas has just passed, so this is what had this thought on my mind, right? Now when I was a little kid, I loved Christmas, right? As I'm sure we all did. Now, I always had just a couple of special things that I really wanted for Christmas. You could probably guess what those were, right? Now, I want you to think back. I want you to think back to when you were young and it was at Christmas time and you'd been describing these presents to mom and dad, right? To how much you wanted them, how bad you wanted them, what they did, what they would do, how they would improve your life, right? You could come up with a million reasons, right? But I want you to think about Christmas morning when you finally got that present and it was actually in your hands. Okay, now in my case, my best friend just lived a couple houses down. So I would run out of the house with gift in hand, right? And I would beat down his door and what would I do? Do you think I would just tell him about the game or show him the Nintendo Power magazine article about it? Or do you think I ran in there and we threw the game in his Nintendo and we started playing and I would describe everything that I knew about the game and we would show the game, right? Well, I'm going to tell you it was a lot closer to the latter, right? We threw the game in, we went through it, I had to show him all the features that we'd read about. Telling and talking about simply wasn't good enough, right? Now, I want you to remember what Zig Ziglar said. He said that the selling is the transference of energy, right? For every sale that we lose because we're too enthusiastic, I want you to think that you've lost 10 because you're not enthusiastic enough, right? So I want you to describe your product to that potential customer with the youthful exuberance of a kid at Christmas time explaining or showing their best present to their best friend. Right? So with that, I want you to go out, I want you to change some lives, and don't forget, tune back in. We're going to do a lot more of these videos real soon. Thanks, and have a great day.